Hey, good morning, second grade. How are you guys doing today? Okay, so today's lesson is 110. 110. So get your paper out for 110, okay? Lesson 110. Okay, so today's lesson, we're going to be talking about our multiplication fives, okay? So we're going to be talking about our multiplication fives today. So exciting. So that's what we're going to be learning today, okay? So here we go. We have 0 times 5 equals, okay, and that is 0 because nothing times 5 is 0. Okay, and then we have 1 times 5. So 1 times 5 equals 5. Okay, and then 2 times 5 equals, and that is 10. 2 times 5 equals 10. Notice a pattern here. Okay, 3 times 5 equals, that's 15. And so the pattern is what? It's basically counting by fives, right? We know how to count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, remember? So the multiplication 5 facts are super easy. We're just counting by fives each time, okay? So the next one, I don't see 4. Oh yeah, right here. 4 is right here. So ready? 4 times 5 equals, good, and that's 20. And then we have 5 times 5 equals, that's 25. 6 times 5 equals, and that's 30. Good. 7 times 5 equals 35. 8 times 5 equals 40. Good. And we have 9 times 5 equals 45. Good. And we're going to stop there. We could do 10 times 5. I'm sure you guys know that. 50, right? But the math book has me stop there. So we're going to, next is, we're going to figure out I'm going to show you how we get the multiplication facts we do, okay? So we have 3 times 5 pennies equals how many pennies? So we have here, I showed 3 groups of pennies and 5 pennies in each group. So we have 3 times 5 pennies equals how many pennies? So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So our answer would be 15 pennies. We would even set it up like this. So we have 5 pennies times 3 equals 15 pennies. Okay? And then same thing with over here. We have 1 times 5 pennies equals how many pennies? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pennies in one group. So 1 times 5 pennies equals 5. Very good. Same thing here. We have 5 pennies times 1 equals how many pennies? 5. Very good. Okay, then I'm going to erase this because I couldn't fit it. And so we're going to do something else. I'm going to leave those multiplication facts up because we're going to review them a little bit later. Okay, here we go.